Welcome. Come in from the cold. You have made it just in time. The storm outside is fierce tonight, isn't it? But here inside the Raven Express, the wind cannot touch you. Let me take your coat. It is heavy with rain. You can leave all of that behind now. The cold, the noise, the hurry of the world. None of that belongs in this carriage. Look around you. This is your sanctuary for the night. Do you see the walls? They are panelled in dark, polished mahogany, warm and solid. The air here smells of old paper, beeswax, and a hint of burning cedar from the fireplace at the end of the car. Yes, a fireplace on a train. This is no ordinary journey. Please take a seat. This armchair was reserved specifically for you. It is upholstered in deep, midnight blue velvet. It is soft, inviting. As you sit down, you feel the cushions embrace you, supporting your back, your shoulders, your weary legs. We are about to depart. There is no need to worry about the destination. The Raven Express knows exactly where to go. Your only task tonight is to rest, to listen, to let go. Feel the gentle motion beneath you, a slow, rhythmic sway. We are moving. We are leaving the station, leaving the city lights behind. Soon, there will be nothing but the rhythm of the wheels and the comforting darkness. 1, 2, 3. The wheels gather speed, but only slightly. A steady, hypnotic heartbeat of steel on steel. As we glide through the night, look out of the window. The glass is thick, beaded with crystal droplets of rain. Outside, the world is a blur of shadows and mist. The trees of the forest stand like silent guardians as we pass, their branches waving a slow goodbye. You are perfectly safe here. The Raven Express is a fortress of comfort. Notice the light in this compartment. It comes from a brass lamp on the table next to you. It casts a warm, golden glow. Just enough to read by, just enough to keep the shadows friendly. On the small oak table, there is a steaming cup of tea waiting for you. Can you see the steam rising in swirling patterns? It smells of chamomile and honey. Imagine lifting the cup. The warmth radiates into your hands, soothing your fingers. You take a sip. It is warm, sweet, and travels down to your chest, relaxing you from the inside out. Take a deep breath. Now, breathe in the warmth of the cabin and breathe out the tension of the day. Breathe in slowly and breathe out completely. Your eyelids are starting to feel heavy. That is good. You are exactly where you need to be. Tonight, we have a special companion for our journey. On the table beside your tea lies a book. It is old, bound in black leather that has softened with age. The title is embossed in faded gold letters. The works of Edgar Allan Poe. Do not fear the name. Tonight, we are not here for horror. We are here for the beauty of the rhythm, the music of the words. We are here to let the poetry lull you into a deep, dreamless sleep. I will read to you. Just close your eyes, listen to the rain, and let the story carry you away. I open the book to a marked page. The paper is creamy and thick. Let us begin. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore. While I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, "tapping at my chamber door, only this and nothing more." Distinctly I remember it was in the bleak December. and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow, vainly I had sought to borrow from my books surcease of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels name Lenore, nameless here forevermore. And the silken, sad, uncertain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before, so that now, to still the beating of my heart, I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more." And the raven, never flitting, still is sitting on the pallid bust of Pallas just above my chamber door. And his eyes have all the seeming of a demon's that is dreaming, and the lamplight o'er him streaming throws his shadow on the floor, and my soul from out that shadow that lies floating on the floor shall be lifted nevermore. The story ends, but our journey continues. The words of the poet fade into the air, leaving only a sense of calm. The mystery remains locked inside the pages of the book. I place it back on the table next to your empty cup. You are not in that lonely room. You are here, safe on the train. The raven outside is merely the name of our engine guiding us through the night, a benevolent guardian with wings of steel and steam. Listen to the wheels again. Can you hear their song? Safe and sound. Safe and sound. We are passing through a valley now. If you were to open your eyes, but please keep them closed, you would see mountains covered in snow, glowing softly under the moonlight. But it is better to just imagine them. Let your body sink deeper into the velvet chair. Your legs are heavy. Your arms are heavy. Your head rests comfortably back. There is nothing you need to do tomorrow that cannot wait. There is nowhere you need to be but here. I will stay here with you, watching the fire, watching the rain. I will keep watch while you drift off. The train will carry you to the land of dreams, a place of peace, a place of quiet. Sleep now. The night is long and the train is steady. Good night, traveller. Good night.